Hi guys, you're welcome to Genius Ideas. I'll quickly show you how to get the geo coordinates, the longitude and the latitude data of any address of your choice using Python. The library we'll be using is geopy. This is the library over here. The library has so many services connected to it already pre-configured. So we just plug into these services and we'll work our way up from there. So the geocoder that we'll be using is Nominatim. Okay, this Nominatim over here. So this is the one that we're going to be using. So you can see the Nominatim library. It's a geocoder for OpenStreetMap data. So if you open the documentation, I would actually advise that you go through this documentation at your spare time. So you can see the Nominatim manual over here. So this is the to search OpenStreetMap objects by name or type, to search objects by their location, to look up a particular address details and all those things. Okay, but what we want to do is just to supply an address, then Nominatim, a GeoPy using Nominatim will be able to give us the longitude and the latitude coordinate of that particular address. So come back here. This is the library over here. This is the library over here. So moving forward, just come to VS Code, pip install GeoPy, GeoPy. So just give it some time to install. Mine is installed already. So now we can get on to begin to write our code. The first thing you want to do is from geopy.geocoders. I want to import Nominatim. Okay, I want to import Nominatim. No, it should be capital N, please. Nominatim. So, like I said, this is the Nominatim library that we're going to be using. Okay, this is the library that we're going to be using. So, after getting the Nominatim library, we are going to create a geolocator agent. Geolocator locator will be equal to Nominatim. We are going to be creating a Nominatim object. Now we have to pass user agent. You can just add the name of your application here. So in my case, I can just say HID training. Okay, you can pass in whatever you want, the name of the app or whatever, it doesn't really matter. So let me get the address of the University of Manchester. Let's just use it for this tutorial. So come here, the full address of the University of Manchester. Okay, it would be very nice if you can supply the full address to the geocoder. That way you are sure you are getting more accurate data. So come here, I can just say the address equal to the address for the University of Manchester. Okay, so now let's convert this address to get the longitude and the latitude data. To do that, just location equal to you can just say geolocator dot geocode. Okay, Nominatim has this geocode method. Then you pass in the address, the string address that you have, paste it, and then after doing that, all you have to do basically is to print the longitude and the latitude. Okay, so you can do something like this: print. Let me print a formatted string. Then I can just say longitude equal to, then I can just say location dot longitude. It gives us a longitude. Then you can just come here. Then for latitude, but this is going to be small l. Okay, now the location is going to be holding a lot of data, so let's just print all the data that location will be carrying. So location, just print location dot raw. Okay, print location dot raw. So that way location is going to be carrying a lot of data. So well, I'm just extracting longitude and latitude, but I want to use this opportunity to show you other data that you can get from the geolocator. So just save it and basically just run your Python program. I'll use this button over here to run mine. So just So just expect the data now. Just give it some time to run everything and make sure your internet is connected. Okay. So just give it some time. Okay, very good. So you can see the longitude data. This is the longitude, okay? And this is the latitude. You can see the place ID, you can see the so many other data, okay? So many other data. So you can see the address as well that it got, then the longitude, the latitude, and all that. So thank you very much for staying to the end. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.